Hi, my name is Elizabeth Garcia and I'm the Secretary for the UN Society here at the University of Leicester, and we just had a talk from Michaela from Anti-Slavery International, which is the world's oldest human rights organisation, and they helped to abolish the slave trade in the 1800s. Today she was talking about the issue of human trafficking, which is a part of the wider issue of slavery, and how it affects different types of industry, particularly agriculture and domestic work, but also the sexual exploitation of workers, child labour, forced and bonded labour, and all these different types of forms of modern day slavery that people don't necessarily realise when we talk about human trafficking. She highlighted a number of different campaigns that they've been working on and some things that we would like to raise awareness for, because we believe that there's not a lot of political will at the moment to do anything to stop those who are being trafficked. In addition to that, Michaela talked about a lot of legal impacts on slavery and human trafficking. For instance, there's been some recent cases of Vietnamese children and young people who've been trafficked into the UK, as it's a domestic problem as well as an international one, and they've been forced to work in cannabis farms and factories. And however, when the police find out about these things, those people are put in prison because what they're doing is a criminal offence, rather than authorities coming in and protecting those people and raising the wider issue of actually they were forced to do this work, they shouldn't be criminalised for that, as well as the deportation of children and vulnerable people, and not necessarily the amount of efforts and protection being given to the victims of trafficking, and focusing on the reasons for trafficking, which are wide and varied, and it's a difficult problem that we hope that this event, as part of the United Nations Human Trafficking Week, will help to raise awareness for.